Hey guys, Rich DiSclafani here from RDVFL, and today we're going to be talking about our amazing screen replacement category, screen upgrade category, and it's been phenomenal, really successful. So today we're going to talk about our top 5 screen upgrades that are available for newer vehicles. Number 1 is the GM Screen 1923S. So here we have our screen upgrade for the 2019 to 2026 Silverado and Sierra. Again, this is an amazing solution that doesn't replace the radio. And what's really unique about this is it works with whether the vehicle is Bose, non-Bose. The audio package doesn't matter. It works whether it's got a factory 7-inch or 8-inch screen. And if the vehicle does have Bose, you do not have to actually swap the Bose amp, and you do not have to do any additional installation or modification to the vehicle because there's Bose. So because we retain the factory radio, it's very unintrusive, and you're actually not integrating with the factory amplifier. So the factory radio stays, you get all those factory features, and this is such an amazing solution for the 19 to 26 Silverado and Sierra. Installation is super simple. It's one-piece unit, just T-harnesses in, and keeps all of your factory features from OnStar to satellite radio to trailer cameras, everything. Number 2 is the GM-1318. So here we have our awesome screen upgrade solution for Silverado and Sierra from 2013 to 2018. And we have this for the 4-inch, 7-inch, or 8-inch screen versions. We have it in silver and black trim. And again, since this is just a screen upgrade and doesn't fully replace the radio, it doesn't matter whether it's Bose or not, and it doesn't matter what trim level it is. We have one specific for the 4, the 7, and the 8, and then we have silver and black trim. So whatever color interior it has or whatever size factory screen it has, we do have an upgrade for the vehicle. And it does retain all of the factory features, just like the other screen upgrades. You can use all of the factory features through the new screen. The factory radio stays intact, so we don't communicate with the amplifier, door chimes, seatbelt chimes. None of that stuff changes. It all stays exactly the same. And you get all of the upgrades that the screen offers. So much bigger screen size, 15.6 inch. You see it's a massive screen, full HD, full video streaming capabilities, takes a SIM card, does everything. Amazing solution. Number 3 is the GM-1520-T. So this is our another awesome, amazing screen upgrade. This one is for the Suburban, Tahoe, Yukon, Denali from 2015 to 2020. This upgrades the 8-inch screen that came in those vehicles. So you get a huge upgrade to a 15.6 inch. Again, this is a screen upgrade, not full radio replacement. So you retain all of those factory features that the radio offers. You could use the factory radio through the new screen. OnStar stays, everything stays, all of the factory features, factory camera, factory rear seat entertainment is retained. That's a big thing that you lose when you change the factory radio in those vehicles, is you lose the factory rear seat entertainment. This retains the factory rear seat entertainment as well as every other factory feature. So you use the factory radio through the new screen, and you get a 3-year warranty on this massive upgrade, and you don't lose any factory features. Doesn't matter Bose or not. We don't communicate with the amplifier. So awesome, awesome solution. Number 4 is the FRD-S3. So here we have our amazing screen upgrade for Ford F-Series vehicles 2016 to 2021 with the 4-inch or 8-inch screen. As long as it has sync, this will work. The vehicle must have sync, and this is going to replace the factory 4-inch or 8-inch screen. And this also retains the factory climate controls. We do not change the climate controls in this application. So the factory sync module and factory radio stay. The factory climate controls get transferred over to our trim. So we are not replacing the factory climate controls. They are 100% retained. So there's a lot of issues with changing the radio in those vehicles and losing climate control, functionality, and that is completely eliminated with our solution, as well as retaining the sync, the factory camera, and all of the factory features. Again, because it's a screen upgrade, not full radio replacement, it doesn't matter whether it's Sony or B&O. The audio system is irrelevant to our application, and we have these available for the F-Series trucks from 2016 to 2021 with sync. Number 5 is the FRD-S4. So here we have our newest screen upgrade for the Ford F-Series from 2022 to 2025. This is our Ford FRD S4 screen upgrade. Make sure I get it in view for you. And this is the ultimate upgrade for the newer Fords. Retains the factory sync, goes from an 8-inch to a 13-inch screen, full HD. Of course, you can download any video streaming apps you want to it. YouTube, Hulu, Netflix, Sling takes a SIM card. It's just packed with features. And the best thing is, because it doesn't eliminate your factory sync, you retain all of those features. You can use your factory radio through the new screen. So when I say you don't lose any features at all, I mean you don't lose any features. You can continue to use the factory radio through the new screen, as well as all of the features that the new screen provides at your fingertips. This is the ultimate upgrade for newer Ford F-Series vehicles from 22 to 25, and upgrades your 8-inch to a 13-inch screen. So does a ton of stuff, 3-year warranty, and this is your number one solution for new F-Series vehicles. So there you have it. Those are our 5 top screen upgrades for newer vehicles, 3-year warranty, complete game changer for the category. We are the only company that's offering these types of products with a 3-year warranty. Find out more at rdvfl.com or through any of our distributors.